Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start now stretching with yoga blocks. It's a little bit easier, but also very good. Okay, sit down, lounge, up, back, leg, little bit stay in this position and try your hands to back and more your body to back. Stay in this position. So good. Okay. Perfect. Now, this knee to side and stay on elbow. It's very good, and also up your knee. Okay, stay strong body. Okay, very good. Yeah. Now the blocks from the side and stretch knee. Go forward on your leg, straight your back. It's very important for this position. Okay, great, a little bit more, and now we sit more down. Very important knee to knee together, and go just to go forward. Take a breathe. So good. Great. That's it. Congratulations, my friends. Of course, subscribe to my channel, and see you here every day. Bye.